Hello and welcome to the 3D Printed Classroom. My name is Patrick and I'm an elementary teacher from Minnesota. I've been using 3D printing to teach the engineering and design process for the past 2 years. I'm making these videos to serve as documentation for the work I'm doing, but also to serve as a resource if other teachers want to use 3D printing in their classroom. So, is 3D printing worth... Come on, man! So is 3D printing worth it? The short answer is yes, if you want to create some really great meaningful experiences for your students. The long answer is maybe. With the exception of a few $2,000 and higher printers, 3D printing isn't a plug-and-play experience. So you're bringing into your classroom something that's going to take more time from you and more of your attention. It's a hobbyist tool, many of the 3D printers. And we haven't really gotten into the space requirements or the material requirements. The biggest reason that I use 3D printing in my classroom is the idea of creating meaningful experiences. I found that in a lot of curriculums, either the activities are too far removed from real life, or if they're applicable to real life, they don't provide students with a finished product at the end of the unit. With 3D printing, students can interact with their peers and with adults to solve actual problems, real problems that are happening either in their neighborhoods, their classrooms, or somewhere else in their community. Not only that, but at the end of the unit, they get to see their finished product and they get to test it in a real-world environment. 3D printers are a fantastic learning tool. You can use them to print out scientific models, to print out math manipulatives, to print out fidgets for students that need. The problem is that if you don't use it deliberately, a 3D printer can quickly just become a novelty that you drag out every once in a while and collects dust for most of the year until an open house. I do want this channel to be a good resource for other teachers, and as such I'm going to be making videos on how to implement 3D printing into your classroom. Those will include equipment that you need in order to be successful, software for designing and for printing, mini challenges to help students navigate the CAD software, how to manage small groups. One thing that took me by surprise is how different small groups are when you are using 3D printing and CAD software versus more traditional methods. And I'll be doing a video on differentiation and extensions for students. If you have anything that you're curious about or you'd like me to make a video about, you can message me and I'd be glad to do that. Thank you for watching.